Hello guys, welcome to this video, and today in this JavaScript tutorial I'll show you what is split method. So I'll go to HTML file I will explain what is split method. So here this split method applicable on string. So I have added one string already, and here is the syntax. So string, then method name, and it takes two parameter, which is separator and limit. I will explain what exact it is. So now here you can see I have added creative and developer. Okay, so split method just split the value and convert into an array. So here I have added the same thing. String means for me this one. So string, then method name. Okay, and this limit parameter is optional. So and separator. So I have added the separator. So from where I want to separate the value. So I want to separate the value from AND. Okay, this where it will get the AND symbol, it will separate the value. Okay, like here if it would be like this and then some other word, so it would separate from here and here also. Okay, so that is the split method. Let's see the output, you can easily understand. Okay, so I will keep it like that, and here see hello creative, this is one, and here after that comma, and here developer and this one, because after creative one and is here, and after that developer and is here. So here that's why it is showing like that. Okay, if I remove the and these word from here, so it will split only two values, and here it converted into an array. So that is the split method. Okay, now here if I remove the and, so what it will happen, see it not split it, right? Because it is not getting and when it is not getting and, that's why it is not split. This is very common thing, right? Now here any other separator also you can add. Suppose you want to separate from here HELLO, means where it will get no space, from there it will separate. Okay, so if I write like this, means no space. Okay, see it's separated like this way. Now if I want to separate from here, means where it will get space, so it will separate. So I can write like this. So anything like where you want to separate, you can write. So if I write, see it is separated, I mean add separated three values, because three times it is space here, not three times, two times space. So that's why it is separated three values, right? I hope it is clear. And now guys, here the limit. So comma and the limit means if I add 2, means it will separate only two values. Okay, here it is getting 2 space, means it is separated hello creative and developer. But if I write limit, so it will take only two values. See hello creative. If I add here 4, so it will separate like that, because 4 there is 3 values and I'm writing 4, so that's why it is separating entire one, means where it will get space it will separate. But one means only hello. Okay, only hello. So hope guys it is clear, and if you find this video helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript, Angular, React and other technology also.